Hey, what's up guys? It's Marf and I'm in the Audi TT in the giant traffic jam that is Los Angeles because today I am headed to the LA Auto Show. Specifically, I somehow got my way into the media day at the LA Auto Show, which is called, I think, Automobility LA. I have no idea what video this is going to be or turn out to be. I don't know if I'm gonna make multiple videos. I've never done something like this before. So I've got a whole bunch of new equipment that I'm gonna be using for real life filmmaking. I got a new Canon R10 camera. Right now I'm filming with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got some new wireless microphones. I got a whole bunch of cool stuff. Because I want to expand my content and just see what happens. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy whatever this turns out to be. I'm super excited. Hopefully I can do more of this type of thing in the future. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy whatever's about to happen. So I'm here at the Porsche Center of the LA Auto Show. I've never felt more like a fish out of water. And right next to me, the editors of Top Gear walked by. And again, I've never felt more like a fish out of water. But the new 911 GT3 is here. And of course, the new 911 Dakar edition, which is so cool to see. It's actually right in front of me right there. And I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But yeah. Launch mode. Yeah. Yep.
Hit it. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Wow. That was nuts. Alright, so I just got done with a bunch of Ford stuff. It was really fun. I did a 0 to 60 in a Ford Lightning, which I'll show you guys some footage of. And I also was in the Bronco doing some off-roading stuff, of course, in the middle of a convention center. But that was really fun. And right behind me, you can see the new 2024 Mustang, which, Furum, if you're watching, wink, wink. But yeah, so far I'm having a lot of fun. Hopefully this video makes some sort of sense. But yeah. Is that a soup? Nope. No, wait. Is that a Supra? Nope. Wait. Is that a soup? Oh, wait. What? Is that a Supra? Wait. Oh, is that a Supra? Oh my god. Is that a Supra? Yo, this is so unfunny. Oh my god. Alright, so this is nice. I found the new Nissan Z. We all like to call it the 400Z, but yeah, I'm gonna go take a look inside. I think this car looks so cool. I think out of like the mid-range sports cars, so such as the Toyota Supra, I think this looks the best. I think it has that classic swooping line that you get in the old Fairlady Z, but it also combines some of the newer design elements from Nissan, and I think it looks absolutely great. Alright, so I guess this is POV, you're a new Z owner and you're about to go on the 405 in LA and actually wreck this thing. But this looks so cool, man. I'm gonna open the door and get inside. And we got copyrighted music, so I'm gonna turn it down. Don't want to get copyrighted, but I love the interior of this thing. The blue is so dope. I love bright colored interiors. I wish my car had one. But maybe that's something for the future. These like boost gauges are actually so dope. I wish my car had those as well, but this just gives the car a lot more character. And of course the all digital dash is just, oh wait, it needs oil and an engine check. Dude, who put the engine light on in this? That is so hilarious. Oh my God. Oh, and you can see the rev counter at the top. I guess that would tell you when to shift. And this is the manual version, I guess, which is even cooler. I guess, you know, people really want manuals nowadays, obviously, because there aren't a lot of cars that have them anymore. But yeah, this is such a sick car. Not trading in my TT anytime soon for this, but nonetheless, this is so nice to see that Nissan is continuing the Z. It is confirmed that this weird Hyperion thingy runs Windows 10. Look at that. I don't even know what this is. Still have no idea what this thing is. Might be a train, might be a thing, might be a... I have no idea. I'm gonna go try and get more information about it, because whatever it is, it looks sick, but it's still running Windows 10. Okay, so a bit of an update. I think I figured out what in the world this big old darn thing is as I adjust my exposure. This seems to be a mobile charging station for the supercar. I guess this is the Hyperion XP1, and you drive up to this thing right there, and then over on the side there, hopefully I can zoom in, there's a charging handle. You pull it up, you take it out just like any other electric vehicle, and then you charge it up. And there's a second one over there, which is really darn cool. And yeah, you can do both because there are two sides to this. This is low-key one of the most exciting things at the auto show, of course. This is the Volkswagen ID Buzz, their new electric van. Hopefully I can go inside and check it out. The interior is supposed to be pretty cool and futuristic looking. But yeah, this looks pretty darn cool. I was not expecting it to look so good in person, but hey, there you go. Look at me, now I'm pink. That's crazy. This was kind of underwhelming. Everything is turned off inside, and there are also a ton of people. Maybe I got one or two shots, hopefully. But yeah, it looks pretty minimalist, pretty futuristic inside. Hopefully, of course, once all the screens and stuff are working, it'll look a lot better. But yeah. All right, so I know it's sacrilegious to cover this vehicle, even though I am a car enthusiast and I drive a... well, not electric Audi TT, but I do have to say the new Prius actually doesn't look that bad. Of course, you have a lot of people driving Priuses. You know, you want to save gas money, and of course, as gas prices increase, you want to, of course, be one with the environment, as they say. But you know what? If someone told me I had to drive around in the new Prius, I wouldn't be that mad. It looks very sleek. I like the removal of the back door handle. They integrated it into the window, as you can see. And the front isn't that bad. Previously, I thought Priuses looked way too wedge-shaped. They look like they were about to fall over in front, but this one doesn't look that bad as it's spinning around. You can see it has a more sleek design, and a design that, in my opinion, flows a bit better. I still think that that rear hump over there doesn't leave enough room for the wheel. You can see that it just looks like there isn't a lot of space, or I'm sorry, there is way too much space between the wheel arch and the rest of the body. You can see the wheel, I think it looks too small for, you know, the size of the vehicle. But overall, I think this is a massive improvement, and I know some of you guys probably don't care, but nonetheless, I wanted to cover the new Prius because it is here. All right, well, that was the media day at the LA Auto Show. I certainly had loads of fun. I can't believe it's already dark out here in LA. But yeah, I don't know what this is gonna be. Maybe there's gonna be a part 2, part 3. I have no idea. Maybe I'm gonna come back, maybe join some friends, see how that goes. But yeah, thank you for watching. And as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.